Good morning. It is your favorite solar pal, Sunny. Here to do a little informational vid. We are doing an installation this morning in Peoria, and a question that comes up from time to time from a prospective customer is, what happens if I need a new roof after going solar? And it's a good question because it is a concern. One thing to remember in Arizona especially is the one biggest killer to roofs is water. So we don't get a lot of water here. So when these roofing companies are out here and they give you a 30, 40 year, guarantee. When I first moved here in 2001, I kind of thought it was nonsense, but it's actually true. We don't get a lot of water, so roofs last forever here. Well, once you decide to move forward with the solar project, within a few days, one of my technicians is gonna come out to your home, get on the roof, inspect the electrical panel, measure, take pictures, a very thorough inspection. With his results, at that time, if there's something up with your roof or part of your roof, the paper, the underlayment, something is needing repair or is going to need to be replaced, soon, we're gonna let you know then. Because then we're kind of at a crossroads. You have a few choices to make. You can say, hey, I'll call my roofing contractor, my brother-in-law, or my friend, whatever. You can certainly use a company that we recommend, done good business with us, inexpensive, most importantly, dependable. Or you can say, hey, kill the solar project. I'm gonna wait for the next year or two or whatever, and when the roof bites the dust, then I'll go solar. I mean, you have choices. So we never want to consciously install on a roof that will need to be replaced or repaired within the next few years. That's why we do the inspection, for your protection and our protection. So you have choices. Now, heaven forbid, at some point while owning solar, because once you go solar, this equipment's going to be producing your electricity for decades, and it's quite possible that you might need to do a repair or a replacement. Well, then there is a fee to take the system off, uninstall. We'll store the equipment in your garage, let your roof crew do their job, reinstall the roof, then we reinstall the solar system. And usually that can add up. An uninstallation, reinstallation, that can be, in the ballpark of $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, depending on the size of the system. So it's a huge pain in the butt. And we don't want to do that. So that's why we do the inspection, is to avoid that. So you're in great hands when you do business with me. I'm there to protect you. I don't want to cause any more expenses or have this be a bigger project than it needs to be. But one way or the other, you're gonna have to buy electricity. So you might as well take a look at what solar can do for you. If you would like a proposal, an energy evaluation, there's no pressure, give me a call. My name is Sunny, 480-200-4486. Thank you.